Alright, good morning everyone. How's it going? Look, I just wanted to bring this out really quick because this is what I made yesterday, just from having an online store. So I wanted to go over a couple different ways on how to set up your online store, a couple different ways of going about it. We're getting a lot of questions, and yeah, I thought I might answer them really quick. So I'm going to start recording my screen here. Alright, there we go. Now first off, guys, I just wanted to invite you guys all to join our new Moneymakers Facebook group. As you can see here, it's just called Moneymakers. The link will be in the description below. Just sign up. We have people posting on this one guy. He started up his own smoking meat company. You guys, we're just giving feedback and basically communicating with each other on how to make money. There's a bunch of different ways on there. Now, jumping right into the video. I have my notes up here. Guys, it's always good to have notes. My notes app is just crazy right now. It needs to be more organized, but I just jot down my thoughts there. It's good to do it. So today's video is how to make money making websites with no coding experience. Guys, you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to go to college to design a website. All you need to have is a computer. And I'm going to show you first up. The first one is talk about how easy it is to make websites. It's really easy, guys. That's it. Weebly. Weebly is the first company or the first platform that I used to make my websites. I started out making, the first website I ever made was called cheapsoccercleats.com. And basically I found that the keyword of cheap soccer cleats was being typed into Google like thousands and thousands of times a day, but nobody would ever write cheap soccer cleats on their website because it made it sound tacky. Adidas or Nike, they would never say, check out our cheap soccer cleats because it's not good for brands. But for me, it's totally fine because that's how I used to brand myself, was inexpensive soccer cleats. So ended up doing really well, just created a blog and just talked about soccer cleats. I made one blog a day. That's it. One of them was how to clean your soccer cleats, how to get rid of odor in your soccer cleats, where to find cheap soccer cleats. Basically, I just created a bunch of content, and sooner than later, my website was on the first page of Google when you typed in cheap soccer cleats. And I ended up making a lot of money selling cleats. So anyways, this is Weebly, guys. So what you want to do is whatever you want to do, set up an online store. So that's my email. I'm just going to sign in through Facebook and see what comes up. So it creates your site for you. Sorry guys, I have some of my breakfast here. I'm running a little bit late on breakfast. I just have some oatmeal here. Let's see if it loads. So yeah, guys. They have your own templates. Look, you don't need to design your entire website with yourself. You can just click on one of these and automatically this becomes your website. You can, start editing, whatever you want to do. Let's pretend we're making, we want to sell cat mugs. So cat mugs for sale. For now, we can just do .weebly.com. Guys, you want to pick something very specific to sell. You want to sell cat mugs are a great thing to sell because a lot of people love cats, and they're easy to make. You can make a custom cat mug online for like $1 and sell it for like 10. It's all about marketing, guys. Make a Facebook group called Cute Cats. Post a ton of videos. Post 10 videos a day. One of those is going to go viral, and then when they go to your Facebook page, make it show that you're selling cat mugs. Okay, you're gonna make sales like that for free, and that's just for free. It's called viral marketing. So this one you can say cat mugs for sale. Literally, I'm not coding. I'm just typing in. You can edit all this stuff. Discounted cat mugs. Okay, I don't want to get too into this. I just wanted to show you guys the different options you have. Weebly is a great one. The next one we have is Squarespace. Okay, It's, you know, all these have free trials, free 14-day trial. You can test it out. Try it out for 14 days. If you don't like it, you don't pay. Yeah, so this is, you know, create a site here. It's pretty much the same thing. They provide you with your own templates. You don't need to code an entire website. Next one we have is Wix. Wix is good. Just showing you really quick. Yeah, it all starts with your stunning website. Like, yeah, it's pretty awesome, guys. You can explore different templates. Go through these, see which ones you like, see the style that, if this one is good, look at this one. It's super simple, and it just lists a bunch of items that you want to sell. Guys, the simpler the better when it comes to designing websites. This one, look, you imagine just having a bunch of different cat mugs. People click here. This is good. When you have it on sale, it says 15 down to $14.25. That's really good. It just shows people that it's on sale. WordPress is another one. WordPress is more like for blogging, I guess. I use WordPress for like setting up like an online blog or like news. Yeah, I don't know if you can sell through WordPress. I think, yeah. And then the last one, guys, is Shopify. This is going to be, it's probably the easiest way to sell online, just because they pretty much do everything for you. So, yeah, let's see, cat mugs for sale. See, a lot of people use this stuff, so. All right, a lot of people use Shopify. I use Shopify for my clothing business, and it's super easy, guys. It's super automatic. People just trust a website that looks nice, and yeah, I'm just trying to like get through so I can show you guys. Guys, that's not my number. That's just a random number. All right then. Now look, Shopify. Let's see if it can load up here. Yeah. See, I love Shopify. It's so easy. You can just add a product, and guys, it can be anything. Like, cool cat mug. And then you type your description, whatever, and then you add an image, and then you price it yourself. And then this is the price. Like, say, oh, it used to be $50. Now, maybe not 50. Maybe say it used to be $19.99, and now it's down to $9.99. But the original price is actually $9.99. You're just saying it's at $19.99, so people think it's $10 off. And yeah, you can add different. Also, you can, yeah, I guess you can add a small, a medium, or a large mug. People like that. And yeah, that's it. You save your product. Oops, stay. You save your product here, and then it adds to your store. So this is, I haven't really edited too much, but yeah, you get the idea, guys. You just add a bunch of products, and then you learn how to market it. Okay, I'm gonna go over marketing in the next video on how to market a website. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really, really quickly on the different websites. So yeah, we got Weebly, Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, and then Shopify. Okay, so here are my other notes, guys. If you want to make money designing websites, make a couple of sample websites for free. Just like one like a restaurant, one like a retail, maybe like a small retail store, maybe like a clothing brand. Make a couple of simple websites. They take like an hour or so, and then yeah, they don't even have to be real businesses, or they could be business of your friends if you want to make it look super legit. And then maybe, I don't know, gotta be creative with these things. You can call up a bunch of random places, but people don't like really calls. But if you go up in person, if you just go door to door to every single business in your town, there's got to be hundreds of, depending on where you live, could be hundreds, could be thousands of businesses. And a lot of them have no website, no Facebook, no Instagram, nothing. Go into the store, and tell them, hey, would you guys be interested in having a website made for you? And then you bring in your computer physically and say, here are the websites I've created. Make them look really nice. If it's a website or like a watch store, you know, try to have something that looks similar to what you would make for them. And tell them that you'll make a website, make a Facebook page, make an Instagram for them. Okay, this is going to be really easy for you guys. And tell them that you're only going to charge $100. Okay, this is key. The reason why you're only going to charge $100 at first is because you want as many people to say yes as possible. And if you say, like, people, $100 for a retail company that's generate, like, you know, a couple thousand a day, if they're doing well, is nothing. $100 is absolutely nothing. You can't go wrong. It's like it's very low risk. It's a very low risk investment for them, and they don't even have to use it if they don't like it at the end, right? So you charge $100, and then from there, you say you get 10 people to do $100, and then you charge a maintenance fee. Say it's like $25 a month after going forward, and just to maintain it. Okay, so you get 10 people. That's $1,000 cash, plus you're getting $250 per month going forward. Now that's your first round. The next round you charge $200. You don't go all the way up to $500, $600 quite yet, or you know, sooner than later you're going to be charging $1,000 to $2,000 for these things. But then you charge $200. Then you go up and up and up. Every next round you do 10 at a time. Get 10 clients, then go next. Guys, there's literally endless amounts of businesses in this country, in this world, that have no website, no nothing. Or if they do have a website, it was built in 1945 and it looks like a little kid designed it. So, guys, making money designing websites is super easy right now. Because, like I said, it literally takes an hour. And most people don't know how to do this. But since, you know, I'm assuming that you're, you know, a little tech savvy or whatever, you know how to use Facebook. You know how to look at a website. This stuff is really easy. If you guys don't know how to make a website, or, you know, if you guys are super stuck, they have, like, look up, like, just go on YouTube. Look up YouTube. And then create a Shopify store. There's tons of videos. Shopify for beginners. It's an hour and 42 minutes. Literally step by step. I think Shopify actually has their own YouTube channel. I could be wrong. But yeah, I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, if you don't know, just look it up on YouTube. You have everything at your fingertips. And let's see if they have any more notes for today. Yeah. Start 100, then go to 200, then 300. Then sooner or later, guys, you're going to be charging $1,000 per website. And then you can charge a $100 maintenance fee per month. So if you have 10 clients, that's automatically $1,000 per month just through maintenance. Not to mention all the other clients you've had before. So you're looking at like $2,000 a month just for doing maintenance. And maintenance, guys, that's just updating their Facebook page, Instagram. Well, actually, you don't even need to do that. You might charge an extra fee for doing that. Guys, let me know if you have any more questions or if this was helpful for you. Let me know. I love doing videos like these on stuff because I've made tons of websites, guys. I've probably made 10, 15 websites. I made a website for somebody, and I'm charging them, $1,000, guys, because it's easy for me, but it's impossible for them. They wouldn't even know where to start. They don't even know what Shopify is. They've never heard of Shopify or WordPress or Weebly or Wix or Squarespace. They don't even know how to use Facebook. So for them, it's impossible. For me, it's easy. That's what you want to do. You want to find a market that's really easy for you, but hard for everybody else. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to join that Facebook group, Moneymakers Facebook group. And yeah, check out all the links below. There's a bunch of different links for websites, and then also for referrals. If you want to make some extra money, go ahead and look through those. There's like 20 different ones. And hope you guys have a good day. All right, take care.